guys and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you this golden smoky brown bronze look, and if you guys want to learn how I achieved this look, please keep watching. I have tried my best to explain how I did each and every step, and yeah, I guess that's about it. I also want to say a huge thank you for all the love that you guys have shown me on my last video. It really means a lot. So yeah guys, let's get started with this video and I will see you soon with no makeup on my face. Okay guys, moving on to the eyes next. I'm using this Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and from this palette I'm first going to be taking the color called Burnt Orange, which is this one right here, and I'll take that on a fluffy brush. So this is the Morphe N573, taking just a little bit of it, and you're supposed to I'm going to put this in my crease. You want to start on the outer corner of the eye and then just bring it in. So really focus on the outer corner and then start bringing it towards the inner corner. I'm doing windshield wiper motion, so just going back and forth. And you really want this to be blended out completely. Once we're done with that, I'm going to repeat it on the other eye. So I'm taking another big fluffy brush. This is the R37 by Morphe. You can use the same, you can use any fluffy brush, and you can even use the same brush that you used for the previous color, and that's going to be your transition color. Now I'm going to take the shade Rustic, which is this one right here, and taking it on this fluffy brush. Again, I'm going to put this into the crease. Starting on the outer corner, repeating the same process as I did before. This just helps to really build up the color and make the look very seamless. What I also like to do is slightly raise my eyebrows when I'm doing this, so that I have a smoother surface to work on. And just take your time to blend the eyeshadows together. I'm now using this round, it's a domed brush by Sigma, and it's like a rounded brush. So I'm just taking this and I'm going to use the shade Cypress Umber. Take that on the brush and just put this on the outer corner of the lid. And then using a smaller fluffy brush, I'm taking the same shade, again working that onto the outer corner of the lid, and also I will also be taking it into the crease. Now I'm going to take this shade called Fairy, which is right here. It's a champagne golden shade, and I'm just going to take that on a flat brush. You can even take it on your finger, and I'm just taking that and applying that in the inner half where we didn't put the brown shade. Just putting that on the lid. Make sure that you guys don't go above your crease, and yeah. To brighten it up and make it a little more shimmery, I'm taking the shade Bronze right here. It's a little more glittery, and I'm taking it on another flat, this is a smaller brush, and just taking that on there and tapping this one on so that the shimmers stay. I'm going back in with this round brush and taking Cypress Umber and just going over the eyeshadow again. And I'll just blend the crease again. Done with the eyes, at least with the eyeshadow. I'm now taking the Lakme Absolute Shine eyeliner. And I'm going to try my best to draw a really thin line on my eyelids. To finish off the eyes, I'm going to be using a Kajal. This is the Lakme Eyeconic Kajal. And just putting that in my waterline. Going in with mascara next, I'll curl my lashes first and then apply mascara. I'm going in with the Benefit Roller Lash for my mascara. I really like to focus the mascara on the outer lashes. So the next step is to contour your face, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit in, I think this is light medium, and I'm using an angled contour brush for this. Taking this middle shade right here and just putting that onto the brush. So what I like to do to contour my face is I like to start from where my ear is starting and then I just drag that down. Like, not in a straight line, but in a slightly slanted manner. Now for blush, I'm using the Hot Mama blush and taking this round fluffy blush brush from Morphe and just taking that in. I dropped it. So taking that blush, I'm gonna start on the top and I like to drag it down. And then I just do it in circular motion on the apples of my cheeks. So my camera had stopped recording, so I'm going to do this again for you guys on this side and explain how I did it. So I used the Soft and Gentle highlight and I'm using it on an A26 brush. And what you want to do is, like the bone right here, this is where you want to place your highlight. And just start here and bring that down. And you also want to bring it down your cheek as well so that it just looks well blended and not like a harsh line. You can also put some on the tip of your nose and the bridge of your nose as well. On your cupid's bow. And I'm also taking that underneath the eyebrows. I just realized I'm so used to not doing my eyebrows anymore that I didn't do them till now. I think I'll just do them. So I'll quickly do my eyebrows and get back to you guys. So now I'm going to be putting on lipstick. This is MAC's Velvet Teddy. It's a gorgeous nude color and it is one of my favorite lipsticks. And yeah. Makeup is all done. Now the last step is to set everything in place, and for that I'm using MAC's Prep and Prime, and I'm just going to spray this on my face. So I've used the MAC Prep and Prime spray to set my face. This just helps the makeup to sink into your face, not look too powdery or cakey, and it just gives a really nice finish to the skin. So yeah guys, that's the look. Guys, I really wanted to show you this look with lashes as well. I'm wearing the Henna Beauty lashes and I think these are Nazakat. I might have mixed up the packaging, but I'm about 70 to 80% sure these are Nazakat lashes by Henna Beauty. The inner corner of this lash is not sticking for some reason, so if you guys can see that, I'm sorry about that. But yeah guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all a very happy Eid. Eid Mubarak to you and your family. I hope you all are safe and I hope you're all blessed with all the good things in life, with love, laughter, happiness and good health, of course. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you guys liked it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below on what looks you'd like to see next. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!